in a world where the unexpected can happen at any moment. Welcome to the ultimate guide for survival enthusiasts and adventurers alike. In this video, we'll reveal 12 essential survival gadgets that you must have in your kit. These tools could be the difference between life and death in the wild. So let's dive right in and explore these incredible survival tools. Number 10, LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a popular and highly regarded portable water filtration device designed for personal use in outdoor and survival situations. The LifeStraw uses advanced hollow fiber membrane technology to filter water. This technology is effective at removing waterborne bacteria, parasites, and microplastics down to 0.2 microns in size. The LifeStraw is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it ideal for hikers, campers, travelers, and emergency preparedness. Number 9, Credit Card Multi-Tool. A credit card multi-tool, also known as a credit card survival tool or wallet multi-tool, is a compact and versatile tool designed to fit in your wallet, similar in size and shape to a credit card. It's a convenient way to carry various tools and functions that may come in handy in everyday life or during outdoor adventures. These multi-tools are typically made of stainless steel or another durable material and can include a variety of features. A bottle opener cutout or function is often included, allowing you to open bottles with ease. Some credit card multi-tools come with a small serrated section that can be used as a mini saw for cutting through thin materials. Number 8, Mini Thumb Lighter. A mini thumb lighter, often referred to as a thumb-sized lighter or miniature lighter, is a small, portable, and compact lighter designed for convenience and ease of carrying. These lighters are typically very compact and can easily fit on a keychain, in a pocket, or in a survival kit. Most mini thumb lighters use a simple ignition mechanism, such as a wheel or button, to produce a flame. Some models may have a windproof or waterproof design for use in adverse weather conditions. These lighters typically use lighter fluid, butane gas, or a similar flammable fuel source. Number 7, Ice Boots. Ice boots, also known as cold therapy boots or cryotherapy boots, are specialized therapeutic devices designed to provide cold compression to the lower extremities, typically the feet, ankles, and lower legs. These boots are commonly used for medical and sports-related purposes to reduce inflammation, alleviate pain, and promote the healing of various injuries and conditions. Ice boots are often used in sports medicine and physical therapy to aid in the recovery of injuries, such as sprains, strains, and muscle soreness. Ice boots are sometimes recommended for individuals with chronic conditions like arthritis to manage inflammation and discomfort. Number 6, Battle Mug. The Battle Mug is a unique and rugged drinking vessel designed to resemble a military-style M1913 Paytiny rail. It's often marketed as a heavy-duty, versatile coffee mug for military enthusiasts, veterans, and outdoor enthusiasts. The distinctive feature of the Battle Mug is its incorporation of functional Picatinny rails, which are commonly used on firearms to attach accessories like scopes, lights, or lasers. These rails are found on both sides of the mug. Number 5, Global Sun Oven. The Global Sun Oven, also known as a solar oven or solar cooker, is an innovative device designed to harness the power of sunlight to cook food. It is especially useful in areas with abundant sunlight and limited access to electricity or other fuel sources. The Global Sun Oven works on the principle of converting sunlight into heat energy. It utilizes specially designed reflectors to concentrate sunlight onto a cooking chamber, where the heat is trapped to cook food. Number 4, Gotenna Mesh. The Gotenna Mesh is a wireless communication device designed to enable off-grid, peer-to-peer communication via radio waves, even when you're in areas without cellular service or traditional Wi-Fi networks. It is particularly popular among outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, campers, travelers, and emergency preparedness enthusiasts. The devices work by creating their own decentralized mesh network, where each Gotenna unit acts as a node that can relay messages to reach their intended recipients. Number 3, Cache Survival Belt. The Cache Survival Belt is a versatile and practical piece of outdoor and survival gear designed to provide essential tools and supplies in a discreet and wearable format. It's essentially a belt that incorporates storage compartments and features to help you in various outdoor, survival, and emergency situations. These compartments are designed to hold small survival essentials discreetly. Common items that can be stored in the belt include fishing hooks, fishing line, fire starting materials like fire starters or waterproof matches, sewing kits, and even small tools like mini knives. Number 2, Headlamp. A headlamp is a portable lighting device that you wear on your head, typically secured with an adjustable strap or headband. It's a versatile and hands-free lighting solution commonly used in a variety of outdoor, recreational, and work settings. Headlamps are equipped with one or more light sources such as LED, light-emitting diode bulbs, incandescent bulbs, less common, or even more advanced lighting technologies like rechargeable LED modules. Many headlamps feature an adjustable beam that allows you to focus the light for different purposes. You can switch between floodlight, wide, even illumination, and spotlight, narrow, concentrated beam modes. Number 1. Tiny Survival Card. The Tiny Survival Card is a compact and multifunctional survival tool that is designed to fit in your wallet, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. It's a credit card-sized tool that typically includes a variety of functions and features to assist in survival and emergency situations. The Tiny Survival Card is designed to be roughly the size of a credit card, allowing it to fit in most wallets, pocket survival kits, or even attached to a keychain. These cards are typically made from stainless steel or another durable material to withstand outdoor conditions and rough use. Some cards have small fishing hooks for catching fish in survival situations. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through essential survival gadgets. Remember, being prepared is the first step to thriving in any situation. If you found this video informative and enjoyed exploring these survival gadgets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Remember, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. See you in the next video.